Hi everyone, welcome back to our another new lesson. Today we will learn WH questions. We all know that WH questions means what, where, who, when, how, which, whose, what time, how much, etc. If you want to speak English, you must know this lesson. Okay, let's see some examples. What? Asking about something. What's your name? What's your name? What is this? What is this? What did he say? What did he say? What are you doing? What are you doing? What did you eat? What did you eat? What does he talk about me? What does he talk about me? What's the matter? What's the matter? Who? Person. Who is he? Or who is she? Who is coming? Who is coming? Who is absent? Who is absent? Who broke this? Who broke this? Who is next? Who is next? Who will come here? Who will come here? Why? Reason. Why me? Why me? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Do you know why? Do you know why? Why am I here? Why am I here? May I ask why? May I ask why? Why not? Why not? Why did you come so late? Why did you come so late? When? Time. When did you buy it? When did you buy it? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When is school over? When is school over? When do you cook? When do you cook? When do you study? When do you study? When will you leave? When will you leave? Where? Place. Where were you? Where were you? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where is my book? Where is my book? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where are you? Where are you? Which? Choice. Which is our car? Which is our car? Which is better? Which is better? Which is mine? Which is mine? Which do you want? Which do you want? Which pen write oil? Which pen write oil? Which dress will you buy? Which dress will you buy? Whose? Ownership. Whose car did you buy? Whose car did you buy? Whose is this? Whose is this? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Whose car does he want to see? Whose car does he want to see? Whom? Person. Whom do you know? Whom do you know? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? Whom did you say? Whom did you say? Whom did you give the money? Whom did you give the money? How? Way or manner? How was your dinner? How was your dinner? How will you go there? How will you go there? How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? How should I know? How should I know? How did the accident happen? How did the accident happen? How can I go to the market? How can I go to the market? How can I help you? How can I help you? How many? Countable. How many pens do you have? How many pens do you have? How many days will you wait for him? How many days will you wait for him? How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? How many tickets do you need? How many tickets do you need? How much? Uncountable. How much water do you have every day? How much water do you have every day? How much money do you earn every month? How much money do you earn every month? How much are these books? How much are these books? How much altogether? How much altogether? How much money do you need? How much money do you need? How far? Distance. How far is your house from the office? How far is your house from the office? How far is it from here? How far is it from here? How far is it to the airport? How far is it to the airport? How long? Duration. How long did you wait for me? How long did you wait for me? How long does he work every day? How long does he work every day? How long will you continue to work? How long will you continue to work? How long will it take? How long will it take? How old? Age. How old is he? How old is he? How old is your sister? How old is your sister? How often? Frequency. How often do you practice every day? How often do you practice every day? How often do you cook every day? How often do you cook every day? How often do you go to the restaurant every week? How often do you go to the restaurant every week? How often do you have a vacation every year? How often do you have a vacation every year? What time? Asking about time. What time is it? What time is it? What time will you come back? What time will you come back? What time will you go? What time will you go? What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? What kind? Description. What kind of novel does she read? What kind of novel does she read? What kind of school is it? What kind of school is it? What kind of food do you prefer? What kind of food do you prefer? Which one? Choice. Which one have you chosen? Which one have you chosen? Which one do you like to buy? Which one do you like to buy? Thanks for watching.